Good day, trainees.
Good day, sir.
Thank you. Ngayon, nasa electrical installation and maintenance for NC2 tayo. Before tayo mag-proceed doon, kukunin ko muna yung mga requirements nyo para malaman ko kung ano yung mga nagawa nyo ng dati. Mr. Gagawin and Mr. Jan Coderacos. Before tayo mag-proceed sa ating PowerPoint, ito muna yung progress chart kung makikita nyo sa gilid. Yan yung makikita kung ano yung mga competency na ginagawa nyo, kung tama ba or tuloy-tuloy pa ba. Diyan hindi makikita kung meron pa kayong mga kulang na competency. So next tayo dito sa PowerPoint. So for house rules, individual picture taking for the IT. Mas kailangan yun, magiging pang-entry siya kada meron kayong pasok. Next one is action pictures to be taken from time to time para hindi kayo mahirapan kada may gagawin na kayo. Pag kayo na yung mismong nag-demo. And refrain from leaving the session from room while the session is going. Sobrang strict nun kasi possible na magkaroon ng problema pag lumalabas kayo sa training session nyo. Next one is keep mobile phone on silent mode para hindi rin tayo ma-distract sa iba natin mga trainees kung sila naman yung ginagawa naman ng activity. Phone call and visitor must be entertained during break time. Bawat tumawag o nagpag-usap kasi hawak yung mga tools na possible na maka-accident sa inyo. So, consolidate our output or portfolio assessment para makita nyo rin sa dulo kung ano yung mga nagawa nyo or yung may mga kulang pa ba kayo. So, national assessment will be announced on or before the training. Next, training, the traditional and CBT approach. For traditional, una, teacher-centered lectures. Next, focus on textbooks and lectures and emphasize on memorization. And lastly, the passive learning. Next, for CBT approach naman, learner-centered and outcome focus. Next is individualized space and practical applied. For last, assessment driven. Next, for the CBT principles, the training is based on curriculum development competency standards. Next one is learning is modular in its structure. Next, the training delivered is learner-centered and should accommodate individualized and self-paced learning strategies. Training is based on work that must be performed. Next one, training materials are directly related to the competency standards or curriculum models. Assessment is based in the collection of evidence of performing work to industry required standard. The training is based on both and of the component in the training program allows for recognition for prior learning for RPL or current competency. Next one is training allows for multiple entry and exit. The training programs are national accredited or registered within Youth Plus or United Tibet Program Registration of Credit System. Next one is the roles of the trainer, facilitative, technical, and evaluative. Ito naman para sa trainee, active, self-directed, and responsible. Sa evaluation system naman, meron tayong institutional assessment, national assessment, COC, and MC. Sa training methods naman, meron tayong training like training, OJT o on-the-job training, and modular training. Next one is meron tayong training methods, meron tayong demonstration and group discussion. Basic competency, participate in workplace communication, work in team environment, practice career professionalism, and practice occupational health and safety. Sa common competency naman, use hand tools, perform measuration and calculation, prepare and interpret technical drawing, apply quality standards, and terminate and connect the electrical one and electronic circuit. For the core competency naman, install wiring device of floor and wall mounted outlets, lighting fixtures, switches, and auxiliary light. Ito yung pinaka-focus natin. So, sa session na to, meron tayong nominal duration na 186 hours. Ito naman yung mga dose. Sa dose, meron tayong dose respect the facilitator, syempre, mahalaga yun. Do participate actively para hindi rin kayo mahirapan. And do follow instruction para hindi rin kayo malito sa mga ginagawa nyo. So, do adhere to the dress code, proper dress code para hindi rin mahirapan pag kayo na mismo yung gumagawa ng activity. So, do the take notes para rin hindi kayo mahirapan. Para may mga mababasa kayo, matatanda kayo sa mga ginagawa. Ito naman yung mga don'ts. Don't arrive late, don't use for a distraction, don't ignore safety protocols, and don't be disrespectful to fellow trainees. Don't hesitate to ask for help. So the activity, proper handling for materials, tools, and equipment, performance objective. After performing this dialogue sheet, you must be able to apply the safety procedure. Supplies and materials, standard cable bar, circuit breaker, and lighting features. Sa steps and procedures, gather the necessary tools. Example, screwdriver, wire stripper, or drill and tester. Inspect all tools and equipment for damage before use. Turn off the power supply of the main circuit breaker and use the voltage tester to confirm the circuit is dead energized. Next one is check safety perimeter of working at height. Example, using a ladder. So carefully remove the fixtures, switch using screwdriver. Use wire connectors or electrical cable to insulate exposed wire. Ensure all wires are tightly connected properly. Next one is verify that fixture switch is aligned correctly. Ensure the ground wire is secured and connected to avoid electric shocks. Turn the switch on or off and observe the lighting fixture's functionality. So inspect all connection to ensure no loose or exposed wire. Conduct a safety briefing the team before closing the class. So, ganun yung explanation dun sa ating gagawin. And proceed muna tayo sa ating practical assessment. Dito sa practical as working area, I give you 20 minutes to do the wiring connection and i-access ko kayo kung sino yung possible na pumasa. Meron din naman possible na bumasa. Time's up. After that, proceed tayo sa assessment. Dito tayo sa institutional assessment area. So, based sa mga ginawa nyo kanina, si Miss Aiko, and De La Cruz sa DVD pasa sa aking assessment. And huwag kang magpanghinaan ng loob kasi pwede ka pa na mag-retake. And yung mga bagay na hindi mo na siguro naninibago ka lang, pwede ka pa umulit